Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the PivotBoss pre-market video for Friday, March 28th, 2025. I am Frank Ochoa, aka PivotBoss. Happy Friday, everyone. Here's a look at the daily time frame of the ES. Narrow range heading into the RTH open after inflation data coming out. Core PCE Price Index and PCE Price Index coming out here a little higher than expected on the core side, 0.4% versus 0.3% forecast on a month over month, year over year 2.8% versus 2.7 forecast. So far the early reaction is modestly lower, but we still have a narrow range heading into the RTH open here. Just 36.25 points of range. That's 42% of average. The previous session, perfect digestive day, compression day, squat bar day, a lot of energy built up. Will today be an expansion day? Do we get a breakout and expansion day, high range day today? Or do we stay within the boundaries of a two-day compression heading into the weekend? Any failure here and you really start to open up a stop run day down. So got to keep an eye on the edges right now. If we take a look here at the NQ, the NQ right here also with a narrow range, 42% of ADR, also a little bit more sell side right here. The previous session also with a really well-defined digestive day, a compression day with a squat bar as well. That's a buildup of energy. We could be looking at expansion. If not today, then very, very soon. But keeping an eye on the previous session's low in these cases will be very important. A recovery of the low and you're back within the two-day range trading, perhaps a low range outside day. If we spend too much time below 19.9, then we could be seeing expansion to the downside. So very important to keep an eye on the previous session's low. Now, do keep in mind that we have had Friday afternoon rallies lately. The last 3 or 4 Fridays in a row, we've seen strength, surprise strength. This is a Friday rally right here, surprise strength. This is a Friday rally right here. That's a Friday rally right there. And this is a Friday rally as well. That's 4 Fridays in a row. Will we see a little late day Friday rally action this time around? Something to keep an eye on this afternoon. If we take a look here at crude oil, crude right now break even, narrow range, kind of a doji-like day, 44% of ADR, but bullish right now. Very bullish uptrend here at the moment, at least modestly bullish, higher highs, higher lows. Some compression here at these highs, and we've bounced off of a significant 65 area of support. What I've mentioned here heading into the new month of trade next week is based off the lower value relationship on the pivot range, but the bullish bias on the close. The first pullback in April, 68s, could be a buying opportunity for a rally into 73. That rally could be a nice checkmark move in April. In May could be the similar buy the dip and go, and we could be walking our way back up towards 78 to 80 heading into July. So nice narrow range working its way up. Any pullback could be a buying opportunity here for crude oil. Looking at gold futures, gold 0.8% higher, continuing to push to new highs. This thing already at 31.24. We've gotten a nice breakout from the 3-day compression, from the 9-day compression, and we're on day 2 right now of this expansion phase. Any pullback could still be a buying opportunity. This is the strongest market right now in the market, and any pullback still are buying opportunities. This market continues to be on a roll to the upside. We could be working our way clear toward 3,200 up ahead. Looking at the YM right now down about 0.25%. Still mostly inside day. It did poke just below the previous session's low briefly this morning, double bottomed and bounced, but we're mostly inside day. Narrow range as well, 39% of ADR. This follows yesterday's squat bar day compression, and this week, as of right now at least, looks very similar to the previous week. range-bound, boxy-like price action, holding the edges. Still a modest uptrend, but we're at that lower edge right now where either we have to bounce or we're going to fail and break. That 42,450 zone going to be very, very important. 42,400, very important. Do we fail through that zone here? Narrow range right now, could build out into a 2-day range, but man, if things get going intraday here, a stop run day could be in play with a nice expansion phase. We'll keep an eye on this as well. Looking at, let's take a look here at Bitcoin. Down 2.5%, still trending up, but clearly again, these markets building these kind of boxy-like weeks here the last couple of weeks. We've seen a few of these boxy weeks develop here, modestly higher today. Big swoosh back to the downside. 90K, the big level here. This is the level I've mentioned all week. Is 90K is the major dividing line. That's the line to overcome to rally. That's the line for bears to defend for another rotation back down. And as of right now, this market, while it does have a shot to break through 90, remains firmly within the downtrending channel right here. Do we get another big major reversal to the downside? Likewise, ETH remains within a downtrend as well. Very clear downtrending price action. This one needs above 2200 for bulls to really start recovering some of these price levels, and until then we could continue to trend down a bit more. 1600, the big key level down below for this one. 1600 is a key market structure level and its value by way of VPOC. Do we need to go grab the CVAL as well? 1450 is the CVAL. That's below value. Here is value. If you can take those bid at some point soon or down the road, there's a shot to rotate this thing back up toward the top of value and toward the previous year's close. So still trending down until proven otherwise. All right, that is it for now. We'll see how this plays out heading into the weekend. Happy Friday, everyone. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the trading room. Take care.